Word. Word is a new function of COCA. From the function, we can learn about overall information of the topics, including the context of usage, synonyms, collocates, topics, websites that use the word, and concordance lines. First, fill in the word you want to learn about here. Take, for example, amazing and select word. Then, click See Detailed Info for word. By searching, you can see the many types of information displayed about the word amazing. Here, you can see the different contexts in which amazing appears. For example, we can observe that amazing is used most frequently in blogs, TV and media, and spoken language, and least frequently in academic contexts. Here, under Topics, you can find the related topics of the word, each underlined in a specific color to denote its part of speech. Under Synonyms, you can find the synonyms of the word. For example, here you can see astonishing and astounding are some of the synonyms of amazing. Above synonyms, you can find a definition of the selected word as well as a play phrase function next to the speaker icon. This will show you media clips where the selected word is used in context. Below this is the translate function, where you can select the desired language from a list of languages in the drop-down box. For example, Chinese. You can then click on one of the 3 translation website options: Google, Reverso, or Lingui. If we select Google, for example, it will bring us to Google Translate, and we can see the Chinese translation for amazing. Here, under collocates, you can find the collocates of the word for each part of speech. For example, you can see that under nouns, graces and God are some of the collocates for the word amazing, as well as makeover under verbs, incredible under adjectives, and most under adverbs. Here, under clusters, you can find the words that are commonly clustered with the searched word. For example, most amazing and pretty amazing for the word amazing. Here, under texts, you can find the websites that contain the word, and you can browse these websites if you wish.